Don't replace your sectional. Transform it with a custom slipcover. Even if it has attached back pillows, you can cover it beautifully. Start with upholstery fabric, measuring tape, and sharp scissors. You'll also need pins, chalk, and a sewing machine. Measure seat depth from front edge to the back pillows. Measure each arm separately. Sectionals often have different sections. Measure each one. Include the full height of attached back cushions. Write everything down before cutting. Lay fabric flat before cutting. Add extra inches for seams and shrinkage. Cut the seat section first. It's your foundation. Drape fabric over the attached back cushions. Pin along the natural seams of the cushions. This keeps the cover snug without wrinkles. Cut around the pin shape. Drape fabric over each arm separately. Pin underneath for a tailored look. Mark seam lines before removing the fabric. Sew panels together slowly for straight seams. Attach the seat panel to the back piece. Add arm panels one at a time. Test fit before final stitching. Pin any loose spots for adjustment. Trim extra fabric for a clean fit. Add elastic underneath to hold it in place. Velcro helps secure around attached pillows. Ties prevent shifting when people sit. Now place the finished cover on your sofa. Smooth the fabric for a tailored look. Tuck into seat seams to keep it secure. From worn to refreshed in one project. And it protects your sectional from future wear. Choose washable fabric for easy care. Foam rods help keep covers tucked in place. Thick fabrics hide wrinkles best. Don't make it too tight, but avoid making it too loose either. Accurate measurements save hours later. A custom slipcover costs far less than a new sofa, and it can completely change your room style. Measure, cut, pin, sew, and transform. One project, big impact. Save this tutorial for your next DIY weekend. Follow for more smart home upgrades.